Well, I took it for a test drive and everything's good. Got on it. I'll get down there after a little bit and check them bolts, make sure they're tight and good and everything. But yeah, it's good to go now. I just got to do an oil change on it and some fuel filters here in a little bit. But that'll be maybe next weekend. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a job here. I'll show you the old bearing here. That's that collar. Yeah, it's about you can see it there. It's probably wallered out pretty good. Wasn't much left of it. Didn't have many miles left in it, but that's about it. Till next time.